Namaskar, Khush raho betyao. My name is Dr. Asma Khan, Department of Fashion and Interior, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. Subject name Textile and Garment Quality Analysis, Insurance, B Design, 5th semester. Session name Quality. Definition of quality. Introduction. Quality may be defined as the level of acceptance of goods or services for the textile and apparel industry. Product quality is calculated in terms of quality and standard of fibers, yarn, fabric construction, color fastness, design, and the final finished garment. Basically, quality is started from the fabric manufacturing or the fiber science. If we are using the best quality fibers and fiber testing is completed before the construction of fabric, yarn will be designed good. Yarn is designed good. Similarly, if we are using properly constructed yarn and yarn testing is completed, we are design good quality of fabric. Fiber and yarn is the basic part of fabric construction. After that, for the fabric designing, we are using proper count system, direct count or indirect count according to fiber type. The construction of fabric is good. After that, again we are checking the quality of fabric in terms of tensile strength, weight, GSM, fabric count, shrinkage, dimensional stability, and the fabric testing is completed. Again, it is the quality of fabric. This is the complete set of fiber, yarn, and fabric, and their testing is fabric quality and fabric manufacturing quality. After that, when we are constructed the garment, we are checking some kind of fabric quality evaluation. It is also quality testing for the garment manufacturing. Example, GSM, fabric count, tensile strength. Quality is very important issue. After manufacturing, we are trial the fit and comfort. It is also quality through the system of AQL and SQL. These are the standard system of the quality evaluation of garment fit and the standard measurements. Quality is very important issue in the field of textile and apparel quality evaluation and insurance. When we are prepared good quality of fabric using good quality of yarn and fiber and properly tested, after that we are correctly in the standard size design the garments and properly testing the fit and comfort, quality obviously maintained and the quality evaluation is completed. But insurance, when we are working with some kind of standards, that standards give the insurance. Definition of quality. Quality is a prerequisite of textile and apparel product which is maintained by the manufacturers and their several member team for the sale of product, demand of product for long lasting manufacturing of apparel. It is maintained with the quality of textile and apparel. Quality is a prerequisite of the textile and apparel product which is maintained by the manufacturer and their several member team for the sale of product and the demand of product for long lasting manufacturing. Example, Lee Jeans. It is maintained with the quality of textile and apparel. Importance of quality. Quality control is a set of steps for guideline designed to guarantee that product or service meets certain performance standard. The goal of quality control is ensure that an item meet the need and specification of the consumer population. When we are designing or producing the product number of for the large number of population, we must be tested the fabric quality and the product quality, and it is mandatory and important also because we need the long lasting market of the product. Good quality control also help a company to more efficiency navigate manufacturing production process to cut down on mistakes and waste and maximum profit. In the textile industry and apparel industry, quality control is not much different than the standard definition provided here. It is a program put into place from the very beginning of the textile manufacturing process, starting from the sourcing of raw material, fiber to final stage of garment production. I already said in my last slide what is quality from the fiber stage uh, till the end product. We are checking the quality, we are evaluation the quality, and evaluation of quality provide the assurance of the quality of the product, quality of the textile product and apparel product. Textile quality control is measured by the garment quality as well as various production components. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 digital version Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you understand. Thank you so much.